Hello friends, welcome to this session on English grammar. In our previous session, we have studied the types of adverbs. There are 9 types of adverbs, out of which we have understood 2. So based on the previous session, can you identify the types of adverbs? I hope you have got all the answers correct. Friends, if you have not yet watched our previous session, then please do watch them for a better understanding of this and all the upcoming sessions. Let's start with the next type of adverb. Take a look at these sentences. She eats at 7 p.m. We went for a jog yesterday. Here, the words like 7 p.m. and yesterday modify the verbs eat and went respectively. That is, they show the time in which the action is happening. Therefore, the adverbs which show when or the time in which the action is happening, they are called as adverb of time. We can identify the adverb of time by asking a question with when. For example, when does she eat? 7 p.m. When did we go for a jog? Yesterday. Now identify the adverb of time from the following sentences. Coming to the next type of adverb. Take a look at these sentences. We must get check-up yearly. The weekly meeting is set up. Here, the adverbs yearly and weekly tell us about how often the action happens. A health checkup to happen yearly, and the meeting is supposed to happen weekly. So, the adverbs that show how often an action is performed is called as an adverb of frequency. Frequency means the rate at which something occurs. Identify the adverb of frequency from the following sentences. Now, identify the following statement as adverb of frequency or adverb of time. Carla goes to see her grandma twice a week. Now, when does she go to see her grandma? Twice a week. That is adverb of time. And how often does she go to see her grandma? Twice a week. That is adverb of frequency. Now here, twice a week answers both when and how often. So, aren't the two adverbs, adverb of time and frequency, confusing? So, to solve the confusion, here is a little trick. An action that happens in a given period of time in regular interval is called as adverb of frequency, whereas an action happening once without intervals is called adverb of time. Here, Carla goes to see her grandma at regular intervals, that is twice a week. Hence, this would be adverb of frequency. So if you are ever confused to whether the given adverb is adverb of time or adverb of frequency, you may ask the question with both when and how often, and you will automatically know what suits them the best. To make it easier, adverb of frequency is divided into 2 parts. Let us look at them. Sweetie volunteers once a month. Happy writes regularly. Can you identify the adverbs here? Yes, once a month and regularly. Both of them are adverbs of frequency, but there is a minute difference in them. Can you spot it? Yes, the first statement gives us a clear idea about how often does Sweetie volunteer. That is, once a month. Whereas in the second statement, it is not entirely clear about how often does Happy write. So, the adverbs of frequency which give an exact figure about how often does an action take place is called definite frequency. For example, twice a week, every day, annually, monthly, etc. However, an adverb of frequency which gives a rough figure about how often does an action take place is called an indefinite adverb of frequency. For example, always, rarely, never, occasionally, etc. Now, identify adverb of frequency from the following statements. Also state whether they are definite or indefinite. A simple trick to identify whether the adverb of frequency is definite or indefinite is that definite frequency comes mostly at the end of the statement, whereas indefinite frequency comes in the middle of the statement. Hope you have got all the answers correct. We shall continue learning other types of adverbs in the next session. Friends, you may suggest any such topic which you find difficult by posting it in the comment box below. Before you leave, take a look at these online courses hosted on our platform www.letstude.com. See you soon. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and subscribe to Let's Tude. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified with our latest updates.